Religious Broadcasting, take one.
Here we go.
Greater Works Media. Stop it!
It's time for the Linda Hunter Show.
Positive Q102.
Jim Cymbala.
Kay Arthur.
Dr. D. James Kennedy.
Dr. Ken Cooper.
Rick Warren.
Dean Jones.
George Barna.
Dawson McAllister. The International School for Biblical Counseling.
Coral Ridge Ministries.
Zondervan presents.
What happens when people find the fresh power of God? A woman's suicide attempt draws her to a loving God.
I knew that I was going to live, and I knew that God was going to help me. I was saved that day.
From the Bible and the sidewalks of New York, you'll read it.
You know, I feel like a watchman for Israel.
Kay Arthur speaks
Practical and spiritual materials. ChristianEmergencyNetwork.org offers preparedness checklists, email alerts, and more. That's ChristianEmergencyNetwork.org.
Have you ever heard this saying, you have to stand for something or you'll fall for anything? Thinking on your everyday life, what do you stand for? At Mountain Springs Church, we encourage you to dig into social issues.
Leaders equipped to plant churches, start campuses, and explore opportunities for ministry through key leaders. 15 students, 9 months, 1 mission. That's the Convergence Leadership Venture.